Let's be real, living in the US as an international student is expensive, and so many students ask me, can I work on the side while on a student visa? The answer is yes, but only if you do it the right way. In this video, I am going to break down the best side hustle you can do as an F1 student, legally, creatively, and carefully, so you can stack some coins without stressing about breaking your immigration status rule. Hi everyone, welcome back to WaleElevates, where faith leads, grit builds, and purpose fuels the journey. If you are new here, I'm Wale, and I'm here to help you elevate spiritually, professionally, and personally. Just a little disclaimer before we proceed. I am not an immigration attorney. The information in this video is based on my personal experience and public guidelines. Always check with your school, international student office, or a qualified immigration lawyer before taking any action. All right, before we talk about the side hustle, let's talk real quick about the rules. As an F1 student, your work options are very limited. You can't just drive Uber, work at a restaurant off campus, or freelance on Fiverr or Upwork unless you want a one-way ticket back home. So everything I'm sharing here is either on campus approved, not considered employment under USCIS, or something that works within the gray area but smartly. So the first way you can make money as an international student is through on-campus jobs. This is by all means the safest and easiest side hustle. You can work in the library, you can work in the dining hall, or as a food service worker. You can be a technician or help desk. You can work at the recreation center. You can do some maintenance work. You just have to make sure you're not working more than 20 hours per week during school semesters. And some schools even offer graduate assistantship that comes with free tuition. So take advantage of it. Another way you can make money as an international student is by tutoring online or in person. Now, if you are good at a particular subject, be it math, chemistry, or some programming languages like Python, or even English, you can become a tutor. And you can do this on campus or through platforms that works with international students. Another way you can make money is through content creation. The USCIS doesn't consider passive income from platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok as employment, as long as you're not under a contract or doing sponsored gigs. Another way you can make money is by selling digital products or online courses. If you know how to design resumes or teach Excel or help with the visa process, you can create PDF guides or Notion templates and then sell it in class or conferences. The next way you can make money as an international student is through campus brand ambassadorship programs. A lot of international students are not aware of this opportunity, but I will briefly explain what it is. Companies like Amazon, Google, Red Bull, Victoria's Secret, and some startups often look for campus ambassadors. In order to become one, you would first research the programs available for that particular brand you genuinely like and use often, and then apply on their website, highlighting your strong social media presence, your communication and on-campus engagement skills in your application and as well during interviews. Be very enthusiastic to follow all of the tags, activities, and events that the brand engage in, and you could get lucky to be selected. Don't forget to always check with your international student office for approval if not already pre-approved. The next way to make or save money as international students is through research assistantships. If you are in grad school, this is a gem. I had the opportunity of being a graduate assistant while I was in school, and it's really helped a lot, especially with my tuition. You get work experience and a paycheck. Another way you can make money as an international student is through stock market or crypto investing. Now, this is a gray area and you have to be very, very careful. You have to know your limit. Avoid day trading. Don't be a trader. Don't buy and sell on the same day. Don't involve in swing trading, calls and puts. Make sure your transactions are limited to 4 per week. Don't buy more than 4 different stock within a week, and strictly buy and hold for a while before you sell. And whenever you do sell, be sure to pay your taxes and report all of your earnings to the government. Another way you can make money as an international student is through referral and rewards programs. This is my own favorite, and my friends knows me to be king of referral. Some banks and credit cards offer you a token when you refer someone, and you're not working for them, you're just sharing a link. I'm going to attach some referral links to this video. Click on anyone that seems useful for you. Now let's talk about some common side hustles you can't do as an F1 student. Ride-sharing services like Uber, Lyft, or food services like DoorDash, Grubhub, or anything that pays you from a US entity for labor is considered employment. If you do not have CPT, OPT, or explicit authorization, you are risking your visa. Please do not sign up for them. Your immigration status is very, very important, and you should by all means maintain it. So those are your safest bets, and the truth is, you don't need to hustle illegally to survive. You just need to hustle smart. Focus on value over volume. Build your skills, build your story, and most importantly, build your future. Let me know in the comments which of these side hustle are you trying or already doing. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone starting school this fall. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. God bless you.